Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again, and this is FM Graphic Design. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about logo design ideas practically in Corel Draw. So in the previous lesson, we have the theoretical aspect of it, and in this lesson, we are going to do it practically. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like the video as well. Thank you. So let's get started. So let me come to page 2, and here we have the theoretical things. Now let's move to our working space right here, and I'm working on A5 sheet. So normally you can use any other thing to draw your logo, maybe the freehand, the 2 point, the Bezier pen tool, the B-spline polygonal tool, and other things right here, 3-point curves to draw your logo. You can use shapes, let's say something like this shape, to draw your logo, and no one will ask you any question about this. This about you and only you. So let me take this to draw something very nice for you to see. An Adidas logo. Okay, so this is it, right? And we have different ones, Adidas logos, right? So this is what I'm going to draw. So I have this right here, like this. So I'll just duplicate it, copy and paste, and then bring this one to the other end here. That's what I'm going to have. Then the other one too will go this way. Now, because I'm going to turn it, I'm going to have something very some way like this. This should be equal. Then this should go up a bit. This should also go, and this should also go. Now I'm going to highlight all. Before then, let me increase the spaces in between a bit. Increase it a bit. This should also come back here. Now let me highlight all. To have a perfect space in between them, I'll come to this side, the alignment and distribute. Click on it. Then I have it here. Now I'll come to align center vertically. Now this is not what I want, so I'll go back. Control Z. I just want it to be have this exact spacing. Oh, I'm blushing. No. Yeah, I have something very nice like this, and then I have the edges all equal with the spacing distributed. Now I'm going to just turn it upwards. Alright, so now that I have this, I'm going to turn it. Okay, so look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it this way, something like this. Very nice, right? Now I'll draw a rectangle again across it. I hope you can see. Now I'll take my pick tool again, come right here for my smart fill tool, click on it, then come here, take this, take this, take this, take this, take this, and take this. Now I'm going to delete these ones because they are not necessary. So, and when I want to delete or it will waste my time, so I'll just pick the ones that I need. One, hold the shift, take the second, take the third, so drag it out of it. Now you have it here. Now highlight the whole of this. In fact, you can delete it because it is not even necessary. Now that we have this, I can just color it as black. So this black is not deep enough. I want this, so I have it, and that is how Adidas logo is. So simple, right? Using your shape to do something very nice. So Adi, something like this. So let me change it to Poppins. The font counts a lot, okay? So Poppins, and then I have something very nice like that. Having my Adidas logo design raw in Corel Draw. So this one aspect of it. So let's look at the second one too. I will use shape again to draw the second one for you to see. So hold my control and then drag. Now I have this. Let me bring this one somewhere here. Come here. so it will go here. So I'll duplicate it again and then have this here, something very nice like that. Okay, now that I have this here, I'll take my smart fill tool again and then just drop it here. Now these circles are not necessary to me again, so I'll just have this and then I'll adjust it a bit. So you should come to, okay, something very small like this. I'll remove the outline because I don't need it. I'll duplicate it again and then turn it this way. That is what I want. And then I'll just bring it right here, make it a bit small and then bring it closer to it, something very nice like this. Now the edges, it should be somehow equal, so bring it to the other side. Then I'll duplicate this again and this is what I've done. It's not nice, copy and paste rather, to have a perfect shape. So come here, mirror it and then bring it right here again. So just adjust it a bit and then come back with these rectangles all in it. Okay, so I think it should be 3 of them, so I have one here, right here, like that. So I'll just move it to fit it. So now I'll copy and paste and bring it downwards again. I have this right there again, so I'll duplicate it now, then I have a perfect shape. Now let's group this 1 2 3 by holding my shift and then let's word it rather. Alright, so it has been word, so it is just one thing now. Now look at what I'm going to do right here. This, I'm going to word all and see what I'll see. Now it is very bad, so let's intersect it rather. Intersect it, and that is a mess up. No. So when I trim it, look at what I have. Wow, so it is out. So let me go back and show you what I did. As first, I was able to select all this, which is this in this 1 2 3 and group all of them. So let me show you. I just came to the top here and word it, so it has become one thing. Now the rectangles here, this is what I did. I just click my shift button down, hold this, click this and take the tennis off and come right here to trim. And when I trim, this is what I get. Now I can be able to remove this by just dragging them out. Okay, so I almost have my Adidas logo, the second one. So let me change it to black and see what I'm seeing. Wow, so this is very nice right here. But look at this, must be a straight line. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll zoom very well, take my shape tool and then just join it. That is all. So join it nicely. So this come here. Now I have this, so this should also come here, this also come here. Now you have that again. Now the same thing, so you do it all along. So I have this also here. No, too much. Click here and bring this one to this side a bit. But it should just be on net, else it will be open up. Alright, so I was able to trim this one too, and I think I'm cool. So this is what I'm going to do now. The outline should also be black, right? So right click on the black, here you have it. So let's copy this Adidas here, duplicate it and bring it right there and see what we have done. Let me delete these ones first. Wow, so this is good, even better than the original one, I guess. So here it is and we have it right here, very nice, right? And then this also. Okay, that is not all. Let's go again and do something else. So we are going to draw something like 100. Is it a logo or a symbol? You let me finish drawing, then you see. And with this too, I'm just using the shift again, rectangle. So I'll just draw something very nice like this. Then I'll come here, take my shape. I'll hold my what? Oh, control. Then I'll drag. Hold the control again and drag. If you don't hold the control, it will affect the whole thing. But I just want it at this edge, and this ones should be curved, and this ones should be remain like that. All right. So I have this something very nice like this. So look at what I'm going to do again. I'll just copy and paste this and send it to the top, and then move it to the top a bit again. All right, so here I have this. Now I'll take this and then use my control again, hold the control, then you drag. Now it seems I'm not having a perfect curve at the top, so I'll right click and convert it to curve. Now I'll click on this, come right here, and then double click. Now it seems I'm having a perfect curve, so double click again, double click right here again. So here you have a perfect curve, but I want it to be on the distance in between shouldn't be that big. I want it this way, so I'll just use the curve, bring it down a bit, and then have something very nice like this. So here I have it. Now I want the edges, right? The edges. So let me just compress this a bit because it seems it's too big. Bring it to this side a bit. Now take my rectangle again, draw something very nice here, and I think this is cool. Now I'll just curve it. This one, I'll curve it just like that without holding the control. So I'll duplicate this again and bring it to the other side here. Okay, so I have this one also here. I'll come here and duplicate again, then I have this one right here again. So this is going to be in net, and then I'll duplicate this too, and then I'll put it no. So let's just copy and paste rather to have a perfect thing. I'll just drag it to the other side, so this to the other side, for them to be in alignment as well. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to combine all. So 1, 2, 3. So let's word or combine word. Nah, so this one have not taken effect. Okay, it have taken effect. So I have something like this, but this should have been a little bit sent to the right side. So let me redo it. It should go here a bit, something very nice like this. Then I'll hold my shift, take this, take the video one again, then hold it. Now I have this, click here and remove this. Now I have something very nice like this. Now have you seen the Android? It is having some eyes here, so I'll just take what again, my ellipse tool, hold control and draw something very nice like this. Then I can bring it at the middle here, and that is its head, right? So I'll bring it right there. Then I'll just position it well. Then duplicate again, bring it to this side. Then no, we don't have to adjust, sorry, because they should be equal to the same size. Alright, so now it was having something here like this. I don't know whether it is an antenna or what, so I'll come and take my 2-point line here. So just click and drag to this side, then I have something like that. Click and drag to this side, have something so simple like that. So within this few minutes, I'm able to finish this logo design in Corel Draw. Look at how it is. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And we can color it as black and white. So this should be black. Oh, black. Oh, black again, black again. Ah, so the eye should be white, white. So look at what we have. Android, right? It is actually about to fly. So that is how we create logo in Corel Draw. So you can use shape, you can even use the pen tool to draw if you wanted to draw something very nice, very nice. So let me try this before we go. So this, maybe I want to design something for a seamstress, so I'll just draw something like first let me draw the circle with my hands, with the ellipse tool. So I'll draw something like this. Okay, then I'll just move it to this side. Now I have this. So we are talking about human being here and something very nice like that. So I'll come and take my pen tool and then I'll click here. Now this is the neck I'm drawing. Now I'll move to this side again, then this side. I'm drawing actually a human being. So this side again. So double click to leave it. Now come here again, this side. I still have my neck. Then I have something like this, something very cool like this. Then I have something like this, like this. I'm just drawing a logo. So I'll double click again. Now right here I'll have something like this. Click here. Oh sorry. Double click before you click. Click right here. Now to this side. Now that I have this, I'll double click again. Now this is what I'm going to do. I will come right here. Here it is not enough for me, so like I'll choose something from here and then to this side. Now I have something this way, 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 this way. Now I'll have it right here again. So I'll double click. Now I'll take my 2 point line again. Then I'll draw something like this. I'll leave it, draw something, I'll leave it, draw something right here, I'll leave it. But I think it will be good if I'm able to bring it at its curves here. Yes, this was unplanned, although, but then we need to get something very nice. So this is it. Now I have to have a curve way. Logo design can be just zigzag like this for a same dress. So I'll come to the shape right here, take this and then come to curves and then just have something very nice like this. Come right here, take my curve again, double click. Now I have something very nice like that. I can come here again, bring this one to this side. Now I'll come here, no, convert to curve first, then double click, then you have a perfect shape right there. Now this side too, I'll convert it to curve and then have a perfect shape right here again. Now this place too, I'll do the same thing. So can you see I'm getting a perfect things now by just using the pen tool. So the pen tool actually helps you to design things to your specification. So the first one was just a draft and then I'm now polishing it. Okay, it isn't something that I've already planned on a book. That is why it seems I wasn't getting something very perfect, but then this is cool. And then by the time we are done, we'll get something very nice for a seamstress as a logo. So we have something like this. Let me just move this to this side. Now I have it done like this. So let me double click and then change it to curves and see something very nice here. The same thing should be here, and then this should also go here like that. Double click to remove that, click right here. Now it have the curve here, so I have it like that. So this is good, right? Very nice. Now let me see whether I can add black here and then this. So it is a human being, right? So the face and everything, we can have a hair for it. So let me take my brush and see whether I can get something very meaningful here. No, too big. So let me come here and take something like this. Now this is also big, so I think I should have to reduce it here. Okay, also 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is cool. Alright, but I have to change the brush. Let me see this. Okay, so this is cool, so I'll have something like this. Okay, so I'll bring it right here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll shape it now right here like this. Now I have something very nice like this. Okay, go double click here, then you can have control over it. So I have something like this. This type of head here, Charlie. So look at what I have for my same dress within this few minutes. I was just guessing something and I was able to come up with this very nice thing. So if I'm able to polish it up to the end, I should be able to get something very meaningful for my clients. Thank you for watching, and then if this video is meaningful to you, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and then hit the like button as well. Bye bye.